Is GTIN number mandatory if I want to upload my Shopify feed to Google Merchant Center? For custom products, obviously there's no GTIN, but if you got products which you're selling, then yes, because you want to give Google as much information as possible. So Google knows that it's a phone or it's a pen or it is whatever. You need to make that feed as optimized as possible, just like we optimize our keywords and negative keywords and keep adding negatives. Shopping campaigns work like these as well. So if Google doesn't know if you're selling a red apple or an orange apple, no, not orange apple, oranges, red apple or a golden apple, your ads will show to the wrong person looking for the wrong product. So you got to optimize it as much as possible. For a print-on-demand store with thousands of unique design, products, and variations, you won't have these. As I said, this is a custom product. You don't need GTIN. You then go on the brand and other information which you need to put in the feed. So you don't need to worry about GTIN. Unique. These are what we call the custom products. So if you're selling printed T-shirts, mugs, caps, postcards, and so on, yeah, you don't have GTIN.